Yeah. So today, from past previous classes, we were learning about HTML and the structure of HTML, and we were also discussing about some of the tags. And in today's class, Madhav sir taught me how to use those tags and create a web page. Today's class, we will all be learning about creating a web page using those tags which we have learned and discussed in the previous classes. So I think it will be easy for you. If you have any confusions or anything, you can contact me after the class. And let's go on with the class. Is everyone ready for the class today?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna share my screen and start the class. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So any one of you can guide me how to what the first step to start a HTML. Any one of
Note,
you?
Notepad.
Can
Yeah.
I go to Notepad?
Yeah. Yeah. Before going to the notepad, I have the small glimpses of today's class, what we're gonna do in today's class, and what the project is. And I'm gonna show it for you. You can watch here. Yeah. Yeah. In the screen, you can see here what today we are going on be doing today's class. We'll be going on doing this web page in today's class. We'll be going on doing this one. You can see here, it is a small introduction about yourself. This is what the web page we are going to do today. So let's continue. Yeah. I will open Notepad as you said. Yeah. Then we'll start our. Before starting, what should we do? Before starting our HTML file, what should we do?
Save the file.
save the file.
Yeah. We will just go and we will just go to save and I will save WeJump PBC. Then what is the important step after this we should do?
Dot
What should
HTML.
.html.
Yeah, we should type dot HTML. Yeah. Then we're gonna save the file.
Save.
And you will be seeing here the file name. This is what I have given and saved it. Now we will start designing our web page. So, mm. You can start designing it. First, you will start with HTML and enter. After that, you will open which tag? Head tag. Next, we will open title tag and give whatever title you need. I will give my first web page. And you can close the title. Yeah, you can see here. First, I have started my web page with HTML, then head, Then I have given the title as my first web page and close the title. Next, what do? We close the head tag. Yeah. Next, we will open the body, but we are gonna give a color for the body, whole body. So for that, we should first open it and type body BG color. BG color is nothing but background color equals. You can give the random color, whichever you need. I'm gonna give pink. You will give BG color equals pink and close the tag. Next, you're gonna write the body part, what should be in your web page. As it is an introduction, we will write about ourselves in the body. First, we will start with a mark you tag. Mark you should always just not write mark you should give specify the direction where the mark you tag should be implemented. Mark you direction is always important whenever you do it equals. You can give whichever the direction you did, right, left, or anywhere. You can just give right and close this tag. And you can also give h1 tag because you want to highlight the first thing which you write there. So I'm gonna give h1 tag and you will type the content there. We'll type WeJump. WeJump PBC students. Next, after typing the content, we'll be closing the mark you tag and the h1 tag. Before closing, we always make sure that we have a slash. We will close first mark you or h1 tag, whichever you can close it. Then I will be closing the mark you one. Yeah. Now this much content is done. We will be seeing this how it works. Like we have given the HTML, then title, then we have given the direction and the heading of the web page. We jump PBC students. We will see if this is in our web page. Like if there is a background color pink and if there is the content which I have written here, we jump PBC students. Let's see this. First, I will save the modification which I did. Yeah, it is saved. Then we will go to files. Yeah. Here you find your file which you have saved. You will click on it. After clicking, you will click on Google Chrome just once. Yeah. Whatever I did is visible here. The marquee which I have given from to the right, the words are moving to the right. You can see it. And the BG color in the body which I have given is pink. And you can visibly see here the background color is completely pink. And the text is moving from right. Here it comes. It is moving to the right. This is what I given in the notepad. Yeah. Is that clear for everyone this much? If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Yeah.
Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yeah, we will move on. Next, we will write the further content, whatever we write. Then I will open a tag and give it center. This center tag is basically used to make the segment what you write to be in the center. Whatever you write after this center tag will be in the center in your web page. It doesn't be in the left or right. It will be in the center as you opened this center tag. Yeah. Next, I would open a tag and give the font size for the further what I write. Like the next content which I write will be the font size which I give now. Yeah. I have given font size as 6, and further what I write the content will be in the font size of 6. You can even change it or give whatever font size you need. Exactly now, the font size is 6, and whatever I write will be in the 6. Please don't write on the screen. Yeah. And then I would also give the color. I would specifically give the color only for the segment which I write after this. Then each of the segment will be in the different color. Like it is an introduction, then name part will be in the different color, and the next one class will be in the different color, and next we will go for the school, it will be in the different color. So I'm not gonna give here itself. I could have given at the top where bg color, there I could have given also text color. If I give there, the whole web page will be in the same color. The reason why I'm giving here is to specify that each segment should be in different color. If I give here font size 6 and color whichever I specify, each segment will be in different color, which the subject you write there and you give the color, it will be in that color. Color equals, can give whatever color, I will give red and close the tag. Next, I will open a paragraph and bold. Name. I will close the bold tag here because I want the bold tag only for the name. I doesn't want the further content in the bold tag. So I'm gonna close the bold tag here itself. Yeah. You could see here I have given paragraph bold name. This part only will be in the bold, and as I closed here, Deeksha, this part will not be in the bold. It will be in the simple words. And this name and Deeksha will be in red color, and the font size I have given is 6. After this, let me show you how it works. Then I'm gonna close the paragraph. Then the font. Yeah, this much is done. I'll save it and show you how it comes in our web page. Yeah, you could see as I specified, name and the colon will be in the bold, and Diksha is not in bold. And these letters I have given to be in red, and this is in red. You could see, and the background color is pink, and it is mark you tag is moving to the right. Is this part clear for everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next, we will go to the notepad and continue our coding. Next, you'll continue the same thing, but the content will be the different. Next, you will give class, then you will give school. and then you will give about yourself. You will write a little bit of sentences. First, you should give the font size. You can give whatever the color you need. I will give black. So we'll open a paragraph. Bold. Then type class. And I will close the bold tag. And I will write my class. Yeah. After that, with whichever tags I given here, I will be closing it. I will close the paragraph tag first. Then I will be closing the font. Yeah, you could see this segment is done. We will see this one in our web page. First, we will go to file, save it, then go to our web page and refresh it. Yeah, you can see now. Class is in bold and 9 is in the normal letters, and class 9 is in black color. You could see this now. Is this part clear for everyone?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure that you understand every topic. You will be having assignments on it. If you have doubts, you can ask. Then next we'll be writing about our school font size. Then we will give the color blue. Yeah. After that, we will open wait. We will open a paragraph. Bold. Then we will write school. We will close the bold tag and type about our school. Pushpa school. I have typed Pushpa school, Pirapatna. Then whichever the tags I used, again I'm gonna be closing it. Yeah. Let us see how it works. Let's see this segment in our web page. For everything, I have been giving the same and specifying the different colors to make it look more attractive, like name in the different color, class in the different color, and the school in the different color. And these only the topics in the bold and the other in the normal letters to specify that it looks good. Let's see, save the file and see the third segment. You could see here, this is in blue color and school is in bold. And whatever I written the segment is here. And the font size is also 6. Now we will next go to the next segment. Yeah. After school, we will be writing about ourselves, small, like about your hobbies and everything. First, we'll start with font size, color. You can give whatever color you need. So, I'm gonna give white. I have given the font size 6 and color white. Then next, we will start a paragraph, bold, and write about me. Whatever you want, you can write here. Um, about me. After that, I will be closing the bold. Now you can write a few sentences about yourself. I will be writing about myself. Yeah. I have written one sentence. I'm very passionate about learning new things. I will add a break line. So the next line comes in the below line. Like it doesn't continue, it comes in the below line. Break line is a tag which is used to cut your segment into into different lines. If I use here it, then the next segment which I write or the content which I write will be in the next page. Sorry, next line. It doesn't continue in the same line where I write, I am very passionate about learning new things, and it doesn't continue. It comes in the next line. So we use break line tag, BR. Sorry. Yeah. Next, we will continue writing about ourselves. I am writing about my hobbies. My hobbies are reading books, watching movies, then if you want, you can also use here one break line. So the segment will be more. My hobbies are reading books, and I added here break line, so it comes in the next line. Watching movies and listening to music. This much I have done. Then I will be closing all the things which I have used. Before that, we will be seeing how it comes in our web page. Yeah, you can see here. This has came about me. This is in the bold, and I'm very passionate about learning new things. And I added a break line here, so it is in the next line. You could see that my hobbies are reading books. Then here one break line I added, so it is in the next line. Watching movies and listening to music. This is the content which I written, and I gave the font size 6. And this was in the bold. You can see it is in the bold. Whatever tag I used is implemented here. You could see that. Next, I will be going back to the coding part. Then, if you add one break line, you will be moving to the next line. If you add lot of break lines, so you will be moving to the further lines, like 2 or 3 lines. If you add 3 break lines, then you will be moving 3 lines below of it. Now, I will be adding here 2 break lines. Yeah. And, for the thank you part, I will be giving a style called pan style. It is also a tag which is used to give a certain style for your text. Like I'm using span style for the thank you part. Span style equals. You can specify the color in this. Color colon. You can give whatever color you need. Like I will be giving green. Then add a comma. Then get. Then next you will write the segment which you write in span style color green. You'll be writing what you want there. Like thank you. Uh, After writing thank you, we'll be closing. We didn't close the font here and the paragraph writing here, and we didn't close the span style. After thank you, we'll be closing all those whichever we didn't close. First, we'll be closing the span. Then what next? We will be closing the paragraph. We will be closing the font. Next, the center. The last segment, we'll be closing body. The complete body is done, so we'll be closing the body. We opened body right here, and this all parts comes under body. We close it. Then we're gonna close the whole HTML file in the next line. Yeah. Still here, this is the coding which we have used. In the last segment, we have used span style. Span style is a type of style which gives color for your text. You can specify the color here. Whatever color you need, specify it. Always make sure to use COLOR color. You're not possible to use U as computers don't understand it. You should use COLOR color and green. This thank you will be in green color. Can also use a bold tag if you need here. Let's see how it comes. Yeah. First, you should save it. Yeah. You find it here. Thank you. In the green color. It is not. It is in the span style. Yeah. Is this thank you visible for everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is in green color as we specified that color. And this is the whole web page which you can make using the tags which you have learned. You can also use H1 highlighting tags, and whatever you need you can use whichever colors you need. This is what the simple part of the HTML web designing, where you can specify the color of the text. Each text can be given the different color. Did everyone get all those codings?
Yeah.
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 Now, can can anyone say this white color is not looking too good on this web page? So I want to change this color of about me, which is in white. What should I modify in the notepad, and where should I do it? You can
Can
raise
I?
your you can raise your
The
hand. Raise your hands. Yeah, Disha, you can go.
Yeah. So, so you can see the font size is equal to 6, color white.
Yeah,
Just to change to white into another color.
yeah. Wait, I'm gonna change it.
And save the file.
Yeah.
And then you can see the output.
Yeah. Very nice of you, Disha. You can see, as Disha told, it is changed into yellow color. Yeah. In Word, to go to the next line, we just click on Enter. I have said you that in Notepad, what do we use to go for the next line or the further lines? You can raise your hand in HTML. Raise your hands. Vedashi, you can answer the question.
It is break tag. BR.
Yeah, we use this break tag to go to the next line or the further lines which we use. For the one line, we use break line, and for if you want to move for two or three or further lines, what could we use? Raise your hands. Yeah, here, for the one line, we used only one break line. Here, yeah, here we have one line space. As they told, we used one break line here. What should we use if we want to go two lines further down? I have used it for uh, what tag or what should we use to go two lines or three lines back. Anyone can raise your hands. Gagan Gowda.
Yeah.
Yeah. To go further 2 or 3 lines, what tag or what do we use in HTML?
The break tag.
Yeah. Only once we use?
We use twice.
Yeah. For 2 lines, we use twice. For 3 lines, we use thrice. How much lines you need to go further down? Then you can go on using break line tags. Yeah, for example, here I wanted to go 1 line down, so used once here BR tag, and I here wanted 2 lines to go down, so I have used two. If I now make it three and save it, yeah. Did you all observe that thank you came further down? Did all of you observe it?
Yeah.
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 Yes.
Yeah. That is how you can bring the content further down. Is everything clear about this coding part?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Any
Yes.
doubts about it?
No.
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 Yeah. I will be giving a assignment for you for the next week. Yeah. Those who are quick and enough creative in your creating web page and using different colors and different tags and make it more attractive and send the web page. You will be selected for the next workshop. And those who are active enough only will be appearing in the next workshop. So everyone be attentive in the class and active in the class to get part in the upcoming workshops. So who all will be sending the web page? Very nice. Then you will be getting chance to go to the next workshop. The assignment for next week is you should create a web page on the topic called I will be giving a question for you on that topic. You should create like it is the web page about yourself or the introduction about yourself. This web page tells about yourself. We'll be giving a question for you like a topic. On that preference, you should create a web page. Yeah, I will be sending that question in the group or the assignment in the group which you want to do it. You can use all these methods to use it, like you can use different colors for your text and different size, and you can use different style h1 and highlighting and big lots of tags you learned. You can all implement them and make your make your what web page more attractive and even more good to see. uh, the assignment for next week is you should create a birthday invitation card. Is that fine for everyone?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, you can like this one you can create like writing the content, address of your house, and the place where you're celebrating your birthday, and why did you invite them, or anything whatever you need. You can write the celebration items and what are all the things you are celebrating in your birthday. You can use order list and unorder list to do that. That is what you can implement in your web page and create a beautiful web page of your birthday invitation card and send it in the group. Do anyone have doubts about the assignment?
No.
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 Yeah, I find only four of them responding. Do others have any doubts?
No. No.
No.
No.
Yeah,
No.
fine. So thank you everyone for attending today's class. I guess everyone find it more easy to understand about web designing in today's class. Uh,
Excuse me.
yeah.
Didn't Vandana did this session about HTML?
Can you come again?
Didn't Vandana did this HTML about this HTML?
Yeah.
Now what are you doing?
Yeah, the same. We are doing the same continuation of that. But like we are doing the project based questions. Like in HTML itself, we are doing the project based one. Like we will be giving the topic and creating a web page according to it. What Vandana did was the introduction to the tags. Like you are putting all the tags and doing those projects. This segments of classes are designed for project based learning, so you can
Okay.
enhance your learning in HTML.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Any doubts?
No.
Yeah. So thank you, everyone. I guess everyone will be sending your project so attractively and making us happy. So thank you, everyone. I'm gonna wind up.